The BMW X3 is a popular luxury compact SUV known for its performance, comfort, and advanced features. Here are some of the benefits of owning a BMW X3. Safety. The X3 often comes with a range of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies help enhance the safety of both the driver and passenger. Luxurious interior. The BMW X3 typically features high-quality materials and a well-crafted interior. The seats are comfortable, and there's plenty of space for passengers and cargo. Advanced technology. BMW equips the X3 with the latest technology and infotainment systems. You can expect features like a responsive touchscreen, smartphone integration, and advanced driver assistance systems for added safety and convenience. Safety. The X3 often comes with a range of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies help enhance the safety of both the driver and passenger. All-wheel drive. Many BMW X3 models come with Drive, BMW's all-wheel drive system. This provides better traction and stability in various driving conditions, especially in inclement weather or off-road situations. Customization. BMW offers various trim levels and optional packages, allowing you to customize your X3 to your liking. This means you can select the features and options that matter most to you. Resale value. BMWs tend to hold their value relatively well, which can be a benefit if you plan to sell or trade in your vehicle in the future. Warranty. BMW typically offers a competitive warranty package, including a limited warranty and maintenance coverage, which can provide peace of mind for the first few years of ownership. Driving experience. Many BMW owners appreciate the driving experience and the connection between the driver and the vehicle. The X3 often delivers a satisfying and engaging driving experience. It's worth noting that while the BMW X3 offers many benefits, it also comes with a higher price tag compared to non-luxury compact SUVs. Maintenance and repair costs can also be higher. It's essential to consider your budget and priorities when deciding whether a BMW X3 is the right vehicle for you.